때는 디지털과 아날로그가 혼재하던 2000년대 초. 주인공 텔리는 뉴욕 맨해튼을 마주하고 있는 롱아일랜드에서 삶의 터전을 이루고 있었고,
Sam,
How much time did you spend at the dresser compared to last week?
I don't know exactly.
Make a guess, roughly, for the week?
Not even an hour a day.
How long has it been now since your loss?
14 months, 6 days. Time it was, down to the hour and minute if you want.
아들을 먼저 떠나보냈다는 슬픔과 충격을 좀처럼 떨쳐내지 못하고 있었는데요.
Hello?
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm just running out the door. I'm appointment with Munson.
Listen, I was thinking maybe go out to dinner tonight.
I think I'd rather stay home. I'm sorry. I'll cook something fancy.
이런 남편의 노력이 무색해지는 무채색의 일상을 살아가고 있었죠.
Jim says I have a death grip on the past.
Are you comfortable physically? How's the sex?
How's the sex with Mrs. Munce? Would you answer?
But I'd have to charge you more. What's wrong?
I had my coffee.
No, not today.
No, I just had some.
Offered, but you said no this time. Last time you had a cup.
I can still taste the coffee.
You smell my coffee. Sometimes the mind, in letting a thing go,
You expect me to let go of my son?
amplify some of these memories of Sam, add to them.
No. Why would I? Hey, what's the occasion?
I think it's great.
No, it's just a freelance.
그날의 사고 이후 단 한 주도 거르지 않고 상담을 받아왔지만 증상이 나아지는 게 아닌 점점 더 심각해지고 있다는 주치의의 의견. 절대 그렇지 않다고 실소가 터져나왔지만
What have you done, Jim?
Telly,
Why'd you change the picture?
you have to come.
I want the picture of the three of us. I wouldn't care.
아들은 이미 오래전에 세상을 떠났다는 걸 일깨워줘야 한다는 의도였을까 남편마저 극단적인 조치를 서슴지 않고 있었는데요.
Come here hoping to meet other swingers. You're the first one.
We know each other. I'm Telly, Sam's mom. We're all tired of condolences, but I miss Lauren too.
I'm done for the night, so I gotta go.
You don't remember me?
Sure. You want my swing?
No.
Would you want to come home with me? Just live over there.
Good night, Ash.
You do know me. Well, that's why you won't come home with me.
자식을 잃은 충격을 과연 세상의 단어로 형용할 수 있을까? 로렌의 아빠 애시는 몇 개월 만에 알코올 중독자가 되어 있었죠.
Mom, look! Hurry up, Mom!
단지 아들에게 좀 더 나은 경험을 쌓게 해주고 싶은 마음 때문이었지만 이러한 결정이 결국 독이 되어버린 부모로서의 죄책감. 조금씩 절제하라는 박사님의 의견을 무시해버린 채 하루에도 몇 번씩 아들의 빈방을 찾고 있었는데요.
Sam.
그런데
Jim Peretta, please? Yeah, I'll take the voicemail. I can't believe what you did. The photos and the lock. Do you want to make me hate you? Do you want to make me hate you?
아들의 모습이 담긴 사진들과 비디오 테이프 모두 단 하루 만에 감쪽같이 사라져 있었죠.
Telly.
I can't be with you anymore.
You erased our son.
Telly, stop. Telly, stop. They were always blank. This
What? What are you saying?
months.
Let me go. Let me go.
Telly, this is real.
Do you know what he's telling me? Is he psychotic?
No,
Oh, my child. My Sam.
there was never a Sam Peretta. You never had a son.
This is insane.
I'm so sorry.
He was 9. I had 9 years of memory.
It's called paramnesia.
Everyone remembers Sam.
You had a miscarriage. Your life was in danger. Baby was premature. It was stillborn. You almost died.
Post-traumatic shock. Some people actually invent entire
샘이라는 아이는 애초에 세상에 존재하지도 않았다는 충격적인 이야기.
Took that picture, and there was a woman, and we asked her to take it. We have a million photographs. Now look away!
Telly.
I was hoping we could do this without hospitalizing.
All right, all right. There are photos that he didn't take. I'll show you, and we'll end this. End this.
결국 자기 혼자 은밀하게 보관하고 있던 비장의 카드를 꺼내들 수밖에 없었는데요.
Telly.
Telly.
Where are you going? Where are you? Telly!
어느덧 출산에 실패라는 아픔을 이겨내지 못한 PTSD에 시달리는 여인이 되어 있었던 것.
I need to see some newspapers. Daily papers from 14 months ago.
I need to fill this out.
결국 진실을 쫓아 도서관으로 향하게 되지만
What papers do you need?
How could it not be in any of these?
What are you trying to find?
6 Brooklyn children feared dead and missing. I have to go.
세상이 나를 기만하는 걸까? 아니면 진짜로 내가 미쳐버린 건가? 그 어디에서도 관련 기사 하나를 찾을 수 없었는데요.
Elliot, Price, what's wrong? I had a fight with Jim.
I'm sorry about what?
Sam.
Sam. Who's Sam, sweetie?
Elliot, he's my son. Elle, please.
Oh, honey, I don't know what you're trying to say.
Son, you talked to him. You saw us come and go.
Ellie, please, you're scaring me. Tell me what's wrong.
Telly! Telly!
남편은 그렇다 치더라도 절친 엘리언마저 모르쇠로 일관을 하고 있었던 것.
Who the hell is it?
Remember me?
Yeah, you're in worse shape than I am.
그렇게 지푸라기라도 잡는 심정으로 애쉬의 집을 찾을 수밖에 없었죠.
What the hell are you doing?
I was here once before. My son. Do you remember?
You an old fan, is that it?
That's right. You were a hockey player, ex-Ranger. Lauren was very proud.
Tell Lauren I appreciate it. You drinking?
Just wanted to talk to you.
About what?
Your daughter.
I don't have a daughter.
Do you get drunk every night?
No, sometimes I'm drunk by noon. What do you want?
I had a son. My son Sam and your daughter Lauren.
Can we talk about this after?
After what?
After I sleep. Somebody else has a daughter, you know.
세상 모두가 샘의 존재를 부정하더라도 아들과 함께 세상을 떠난 로렌의 부모라면 내 기억이 옳다는 걸 입증할 수 있을 거라는 기대였지만 현실은 술 없이는 단 1시간도 버티지 못하는 알코올 중독자가 되어 있었던 것. 결국 아침이 오기만을 기다릴 수밖에 없던 그때 그토록 강력하게 애쉬가 부정했었던 로렌의 흔적들을 찾을 수 있었죠.
Did we get married?
It's not me. It's you and it's Jim. Go look in your office. It used to be your daughter's room. Draw on it. These are her drawings.
You're out of your mind.
And this was your daughter's room.
Somebody lived here before me. They papered over their kid's room.
You and me and your ex-wife.
Get
and
out.
my husband. You and I.
Listen. We have never met at a funeral. I do not know.
Lauren and Sam were friends. Camp, and we lost them. They died. You weren't drinking then.
It was about 14 months ago you started drinking. That's when Lauren died.
I never had a kid.
Are,
All right, that's-
no. Say her name and I'll go.
Say it, Lauren. Say it.
Lauren,
Now look around again. She was here.
I need a minute.
Well, please tell me if
I
you...
need a minute.
서재로 둔갑해버린 방에서 발견된 아이의 흔적과 장난으로 느껴지지 않는 텔리의 간절한 목소리, 이내 곧 흔들리는 애쉬의 눈빛을 느낄 수 있었지만
I know this is difficult. How much do you remember?
I called the police. Look, you need some help. I never had a kid. I'm real sorry.
그건 어디까지나 나만의 착각이었던 걸까? 이제는 어떻게 해서도 이 사태를 뒤집을 수 없다는 깊은 무력감에 빠져들 수밖에 없었는데요.
Carl Dayton, National Security Agency. We're taking custody. Pick up Captain Mills. He'll verify.
Hi, Dad. Which one do you think I should wear, Daddy?
Wait! Where is she? The feds have her. Stop! I'm gonna let it go. Mr. Grill, step back. Telly, get off the... I remember! Get him off the damn boat!
내가 정말 미쳐버린 게 아니라 무언가 설명할 수 없는 음모가 도사리고 있음을 느낄 수 있었죠.
Telly. Lieutenant Pope, they told me there was a complaint.
Mr. Ashley Corral, do you know him?
What does he have to do?
Claiming that her son was missing and dead.
We never had a son. Where is she?
She was turned over to federal agents and she fled custody. Why would the NSA be interested in you?
You're asking me.
They don't care about anybody's apartment, and they don't trace missing children.
애쉬의 기억이 돌아옴으로써 내가 망상에 빠져 있던 게 아니라는 걸 입증할 수 있었지만 그런데 여기서 한 가지 이해되지 않는 점이 있었는데요.
Do what they say, all right?
I'm gonna miss you so much.
왜 난데없이 NSA라는 요원들이 들이닥쳐 나를 연행하려 했었는지 텔리의 머릿속이 점점 더 복잡해지고 있었죠.
I was hoping you'd come here.
I don't understand it. I keep thinking I'm crazy, you know? How could I forget her? My little girl. I can't do this.
You have to, because I can't do this alone.
Come on, we should hang around here.
First, I thought it had something to do with the plane crash. Do you remember when that TWA flight?
Yeah, I remember that.
But then I erase our memory. Do you ever somebody watching you?
Like surveillance?
Sometimes people are taken. We hear that.
What are you talking about?
Abduction. Now listen to me. I had a son. You had a daughter. Besides us, believes they never existed. Who could erase our kid? Picture of them gone. Newspaper article gone. No agents, no government. Who could do that?
I don't know. To find a hotel. You got any cash?
I have some credit cards.
Get it. Clerk runs your card and they got us. Don't you watch TV?
Why are you so pissed at me?
You okay?
Yeah.
Say, we need to talk to you. Stay by the car. In here. Get down.
Damn it. I got left.
정부가 TWA 추락 사고를 조직적으로 은폐했다는 의혹을 떨쳐내지 못한 데다가 이러한 의심에 기름을 붓는 듯한 요원들의 집요한 추격까지
Go for Dallas.
What do you see? Nothing new? What's your 20?
이 모든 일련의 사건들 배후에는 연방 정부가 있다는 의심을 떨칠 수 없었죠.
Hello.
Dr. Munson's telling.
Where are you? Are you all right?
No, I'm not hurt, but there are people after us.
What do you mean?
I found someone else. His daughter was on the same flight. He remember her, but now he does. How do you explain that?
This is a panic attack. Tell me where you are. Wait, you need help.
No. I need you to start believing me.
Found an all-night place. Didn't have much. You should eat something.
Whether I want too much salt or too much sugar.
Sugar.
Wish you wouldn't do that.
Don't worry about it.
아무도 나를 믿어주지 않는 상황에서 기적적으로 나타난 또 다른 희생자 애쉬로 인해 그나마 무거운 마음에 짐을 덜 수 있었지만
You held out. You held out. I didn't. I forgot her. How'd you do that?
I don't know.
What's so important about us? Our kids. I mean, the kids are dead. Why try to erase our memories? It's not like we're gonna go look for them.
이 긴박한 순간조차 술을 멀리하지 못하고 있는 불안함 때문이었을까 거의 뜬 눈으로 애쉬와의 첫날 밤을 보내게 되는데요. 불현듯 소름 돋는 기억들이 되살아나기 시작하죠.
Ash, wake up. Come on.
Wake up. Wake up. Come on.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Tell me what the hell are you doing?
To me. You were right. If the children were dead, why would they need to make us forget them?
I think the children are alive. Don't you feel that Lauren's alive out there?
Yes.
Jim usually leaves the office by 12:15.
이러한 추리를 바탕으로 남편 짐의 기억을 되살리려는 계획이었는데요.
Behind you.
Get out of the way!
Oh my God. Is he? Did we?
그런데 이때 긴박하게 전화벨이 울려대기 시작하죠.
Hello? Hello, is this Telly Peretta? This is Detective Ann Poe.
We're just trying to find our children.
Hang up.
Yes, I know.
You know?
They took our kids. They made us think they died in the plane crash.
Doesn't make any sense, but my son and Ash's daughter, Lauren Carell, they were on the same plane.
NSA 요원들과는 달리 나의 처지를 10분 이해하고 있다는 듯한 뉘앙스. 어느새 내가 처한 상황에 대한 하소연을 늘어놓고 있었는데요.
Jim,
I'm sorry, do I know you?
what's the matter? It's me.
I'm sorry. We know each other.
Oh, God, what did they do to you? James William Peretta.
Who are you?
You know a Sam Peretta?
No relation. You lost me.
마치 우리의 계획을 미리 간파한 것 같은 정부의 치밀함에 혀를 내두를 수밖에 없던 그때
It's them.
gotta get out of here. You know someplace far enough. Telly.
You didn't even know me. I forgot.
Feds want to talk to you.
What?
Detective Pope, Carl Dayton, NSA.
What are you doing in my crime scene? What's so national security about that?
I'm not at liberty.
Liberty.
We've been on this case, so any information that you get on Coretta or Corral, give me a call anytime, day or night.
You like this part, don't you? The part where you get to take away my case.
I'd rather be sailing.
Coretta and Corral lead the laws of the city of New York. Your involvement in this wouldn't have anything to do with plane crash they claim killed their 2 children.
No, know nothing about plane crash.
National security, huh? Better buy better locks.
정보기관이라는 이유로 왜 그토록 두 사람을 쫓고 있는 건지 조금의 힌트도 주지 않는 데다가 사사건건 개입을 서슴지 않는 무소불위의 태도.
Put your eyes back in your head, Warden.
Not looking at you.
I had a wife, a woman's eyes judging me if I was in a coma.
Ash, please don't drink.
See, I told you were watching me. I let her go. My little girl. They took her away from me, but I let her go. What kind of father does that?
I need you to stay clear.
Not doing this for you, you know.
I know.
Never forget her again.
I know you.
You know everything, right?
I don't know how to get my son back.
We'll figure something out.
이 일대를 담당하고 있는 앤의 고민이 깊어지기 시작했고.
Excuse me, Lieutenant Pope.
No, I'm gone.
I'm Dr. Jack Muntz. Telly Peretta's my patient.
So what can you tell me about Telly?
To think that she was purely delusional. I'm not sure anymore.
She calls again, you call me.
Then I'm there when you find her. With a possible psychotic break, you don't want her. She still trusts me, or she wouldn't have called. You're gonna need me to find her.
자신과 함께 움직이면 조만간 텔리를 찾게 될 거라는 문스 박사와 마주할 수 있었는데요. 그런데 그날 새벽 은밀하게 우리의 아지트를 감시하는 이를 발견할 수 있었죠.
A. Patalis. What's the A stand for?
What?
You don't have to do that.
Al Patalis. Oh, Jesus, you don't want this kind of trouble.
We just want our children.
There are no children. Forget the children.
What did you say? Forget the children.
If I swing this thing again, I'm gonna break your kneecap. Where are the children?
It's not me. It's, we cooperate.
Why do you cooperate with them?
Survival.
Where are they from? Who are they? Why do they want the children?
The truth. The goddamn truth. In your brain.
Just tell us how to get the children back.
I don't know anything about that. All I know is that you're supposed to forget like everybody else. This was not part of it.
Part of what? Part of what?
Particular experiment.
Go on.
I can't.
No! No! Do you have children? Please. Please tell me. No one will know that you told us. Just tell us how to get the children back.
They're listening.
그들이 듣고 있다는 의미심장한 말과 흔적도 남기지 않고 요원이 하늘로 증발해버리는 도무지 믿기 어려운 광경을 목격하게 되고
Our best guess is a gas leak. Nothing's burned.
Damn, hope our children are alive. Couldn't sound crazy if we tried. Abducted. Most people say kidnapped.
Troopers found this.
Excuse us, Dr. Muntz.
Witnesses say they only saw Peretta and Corral, another body inside.
Crash a house, Cassidy.
She's 7, why?
If I told you your daughter never existed, and she made her up.
이내 곧 남겨진 기억의 파편 가운데에 결정적인 단서가 숨어 있을지도 모른다는 결론에 다다르게 되는데요.
Questair.
Questair. So we're saying that it never crashed at sea. Plane and the pilot, all of it is part of them.
이 모든 게 실험이라면 그 실험을 진행하는 데에 있어 분명 물리적인 환경을 제공한 업체가 실제할 거라는 추리. 그렇게 아이들이 탑승한 비행기를 운영하는 항공사에 닿을 수 있었죠.
Oh my God, who are you?
I'm sorry, we didn't think there'd be anyone. I'm Mr. Chenier's assistant. And you are?
Eileen, I'm the accountant the court appointed. Bankruptcy?
Oh, of course.
Questair employees are not allowed to be here.
Well, they're just personal letter.
But I have to see what I've got here. Okay, 165 Colony Way.
순간적인 기지를 발휘. 마침내 이 항공사 대표의 거처를 알아내게 되지만
Nobody lives here.
It's strange. They didn't move out, they just left.
이 모종의 실험이 얼마나 조직적이고 치밀하게 계획됐었는지를 엿볼 수 있는 완벽하게 정리된 빈집과 마주하게 되고
Get in.
Where are we going?
유며칠 생사를 넘나들었던 추격전이 무색해지는 또다시 뜬 눈으로 밤을 지샐 수밖에 없었는데요. 문제는 기억의 파편들 가운데에 결정적 단서가 숨겨져 있었다는 거죠.
Ash?
Tally? It's the guy from the car rental.
I know. We have to get to the airport. The one the kids left from. They're in the house with her.
Come on, let's go.
It's Jen.
Here, meet me at my apartment.
What are you doing?
One of us, go!
Stay here. Freeze! Right there! Hands on your head! I will shoot!
Are you Muntz?
Yes, what happened? What about Pope?
You want to help Tally? Just drive.
Telly! And Pope! I know! I believe you, Telly. I believe you about everything. We'll find them. I promise you that. Do you hear me? You're
이 실험에 개입을 하거나 방해가 될 수 있는 존재들이 증발해버리는 믿기 어려운 사건의 연속.
Tally?
그럼에도 애쉬가 시선을 끄는 묘수로 인해 위기를 넘기는 것도 잠시.
They took Aunt Pope.
Muntz is downstairs. He'll take us to that airport.
Beautiful view.
We're done with our kids.
Stay back! No!
Telly, come with me. We have to go to the police.
No, we have to go to the airport.
계속해서 반대의 뜻을 내비치는 박사의 의견을 묵살. 마침내 이 모든 실험이 시작된 항공사의 경납고에 닿을 수 있었고.
He's one of them.
Where is he?
You know this is getting trouble. It's finished now. End it. Make it right.
Where is my son?
It's not over.
차마 인정하고 싶지 않은 사실과 마주하게 되는데요.
You're one of those agents.
No. I'm just one of the few who knows.
So you help them?
They don't need our help, experiments with or without our help. They've been doing it for years, maybe forever.
You just let them do whatever they want.
I don't have a choice. We just try to minimize the damage.
I just want my son.
You'll never get Sam back.
I don't believe that. He said it's not over. You know them. Help me.
If you go any further, I can't help.
어떻게 하더라도 저들을 막을 수 없다는 무력감이었을까? 텔리 홀로 의문의 남성과 마주할 수밖에 없었죠.
Is my son in here?
You never doubted. Not for a second, did you? He's now just a memory, Telly. Can you picture him here? Now?
Dad! Honey! Wait! Sam! What have you done with him? Why did you take him? What do you want?
It's an experiment.
Could you possibly learn from him?
Nothing.
This wasn't about Sam. This wasn't about the children. We were the experiment.
Your connection, mother to child, like an invisible tissue. We can even measure its energy, but we don't fully understand it. So I pose the question, can it be dissolved? And it can, except for you.
Give me back my son, and I'll do whatever you want.
What I want to tell is for you to forget your son. This experiment will fail. I'm accountable. I can't let that happen.
I won't help you.
There are worse things than forgetting.
No, there aren't.
You need. You're different from the others. Why? It's better this way. You won't be haunted by his memory. Now, I want you to go back to that first day in the hospital you ever saw Sam. I need that first memory. Give me that first memory.
내가 쌤이라는 기억을 지워버린다면 모든 걸 원래의 자리로 돌려놓는 것은 물론이고 새로운 아이도 선물해주겠다는 솔깃한 제안.
That boy, what was his name?
What boy?
이 기나긴 싸움에 몸과 마음 모두 지쳐버렸는지 결국 이 남자의 제안을 받아들이게 되는데요.
I had life inside of me. I
have a child.
그런데
A son. I have a son. His name is Sam.
I need more time.
미국 정부가 시민들의 안전을 보장받기 위해 외계인들이 제안한 실험에 협조하고 나아가 조직적인 은폐에 앞장서게 된다는 음모론을 다루고 있는 작품.
Sam Peretta, do you know him?
이 영화를 연출한 조셉 로벤 감독은 여성의 모성애야말로 그 어떠한 외력이나 불가항력에도 흔들리지 않는 인간만의 본성이라는 걸 강조하기 위해 외계라는 초월적인 존재를 등장시키게 되었다고 제작 의도를 밝히고 있지만
Can't breathe.
Sorry. I'm just
Can I click till 5:30?
Yeah, 5:30's okay.
See ya.
Hi, Lauren.
문제는 이 외계인이라는 소재가 1990년대를 마지막으로 완연한 내리막길을 걷고 있던 데다가 9.11 테러 이후 실제하는 공포에 좀 더 몰입하는 시장의 변화까지 겹쳐져 평단과 관객으로부터 철저하게 외면당한 영화로 기억되고 있는데요.
I'm Telly.
I'm Ash. I think we met before.
그럼에도 모성애를 전면에 내세운 주제의식과 줄리안 무어라는 대체 불가능한 배우의 열연에는 개인적으로 뜨거운 박수를 보내줄 수밖에 없었던 작품, 여러분들은 어떠셨나요?